Hey there, plant lovers! Today, we're diving into a quirky tale that's sure to tickle your funny bone. Meet our unlikely villain, the serial plant killer. But don't worry, this isn't your typical horror story. Our killer has a rather unique plant overwatering a cactus. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine this, a cactus known for its resilience and ability to thrive in arid conditions suddenly finds itself drowning in a deluge of water. It's a classic case of too much love, and our disguised plant killer is convinced that more is better. But as we all know, even the toughest plants have their limits. Join us as we explore the hilarious consequences of this misguided mission. We'll uncover the importance of understanding our green friends and how a little knowledge can go a long way in keeping them healthy. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this lighthearted journey, don't forget to follow us for more fun plant stories and tips. Happy planting!